Hi, it's Neil Waterhouse. Last week, Amazon Prime opened in Australia just 2 weeks after eBay released eBay Plus. Now, for those who don't know, what Amazon Prime is, it's a yearly subscription service with an introductory price of $4.99 per month till January. Then it reverts to $6.99 per month, or $7 per month. Now, for the introductory price of $4.99, or as I'm going to call it $5 per month, you get free express delivery on all Prime items shipped by Amazon Australia, which is to over 90% of the Australian population, which is pretty surprising. Anyway, Amazon Prime also gives subscribers more benefits than just the free express shipping, and I'll go through those benefits in a sec. Even at the usual $7 per month, which is around $84 per year, this is cheaper than what most people thought it was going to be, and certainly cheaper than the US. As an example, in the US, a subscription in the US is $119 per year, which is about $160 Australian. In the UK, Amazon Prime is £79, which is about $140 Australian. In Germany, the cost is €49, which is about $80 Australian, and also Canada, it's 79 Canadian, which is again about $80, and it's pretty similar to those, the Canadian kind of country as well. So anyway, for $84 per year, this appears to be pretty good value for shoppers. Amazon Prime, it's been a massive hit in other countries, with the number of Prime members nearly doubling over the last 2 years. There's now over 100 million Amazon Prime members around the world. And one of the reasons it's been such a huge hit is it's very easy to justify the yearly membership fee. For instance, in Australia, if you're $5 or $7 per month, you get shipping or free shipping on every Prime item that you order. Now, if you're used to purchasing, say, bricks and mortar stores, each time you order from bricks and mortar store, they might be charging you, say, $10 shipping per order. By entering the world of Amazon Prime, you only need to place 8 or 8.4 orders in 1 year to break even. Less than 10 orders and you're broken even in a whole year. And Amazon Prime also guarantees a 2-day delivery to over 90% of the population. And of course, most bricks and mortar stores can't do that. Then also, to justify the cost of membership, Amazon also offers Australian subscribers the Prime Video service, which includes popular movies, popular TV shows, and also the Amazon exclusive content like the Grand Tour, which is the remake of Top Gear with Jeremy Clarkson, etc. And there's also some free games every month, and also over 1,000 ebooks available, including the Harry Potter novels. Australian Prime members also get free international delivery on eligible items from Amazon US as well. For now though, music and the free cloud storage that Prime members get in other countries is currently not available in Australia. However, that and other sweeteners, they're more than likely going to come over time. Now, Amazon Prime, it's not available for every product listed on Amazon Australia though. It's only available for products warehoused by Amazon in one of their 2 Australian fulfillment centres. So if you want your products to be available on Amazon Prime, you must send some of your products to one of the 2 fulfillment centres. Now, Amazon's now got 2 warehouses, one in Dandenong, Victoria, and the other one in Moorebank in Sydney. If you want to know more about how to set up your items for FBA or fulfillment by Amazon, I did an earlier video showing how to do this, but if you missed it, I'll put a link on the screen. Now, for those new to this, FBA, of course, is the abbreviation for Fulfillment by Amazon. Now, the important thing to know about Amazon Prime, what happens in places like the US, is shoppers click on the button that says, only show Amazon Prime products. Now, over time, we can only assume that Amazon Australia shoppers will do exactly the same, same as they do in all other countries, and that is click on that button. So for that reason, sending products to Amazon FBA warehouse becomes a no-brainer. That's all for this week. Wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave me a comment below. What are your thoughts about Amazon Prime Australia? Until next week, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.